this small aluminum vise swivels just about every way you'd want it to swivel. You can go any direction, and then you can lock it down wherever you want in that swivel if you want. Now, it's made out of aluminum, so it's real light, and it has soft jaws in it. Now, these jaws are about 3 inches wide, and it'll open up to about 2 inches wide, but it's a fine, versatile little old vise. Now, I make some fire starters out of magnesium. See if I can show you one here. These soft jaws, they won't hurt any of the stuff you put in there. You can be real gentle with it, but you can I put my magnesium in there, and then I need to file a groove in it so I can put a flint in it like this. I'd glue a flint in it. Fine little vise, very versatile. Anyway, that's a magnesium fire starter right there. Now, you could work on your lures, or you can tie flies with it. Those soft jaws, you can put it in there and it won't hurt. You could even do some soldering with it if you wanted to. Now, I also have jewelry. See this little? You could even work on your jewelry. It won't hurt it. Put it in those soft jaws. You can work on it. This is a necklace. It's a magnifying necklace, what it is. It magnifies, and it's real pretty, but it's got a long, nice gold tone chain on it. But you can put it in your vise to work on it. It won't hurt it. Now, also, I make some ballpoint pens. Now, I put some of these clips on it, and I do some soldering on some of them sometimes. But you can put it in there and you can solder. You can do delicate work with this little vise. Fine little vise. You can put it in your motorhome. I just got it on my desk here, but now it won't hurt the desk. It's got soft clamps on it, so it won't mar your desk. You can put it on your table. You can even take it in your motorhome. You can put it on your motorhome table, and it's light, and you can put it into a drawer. Put it into one of the kitchen drawers if you wanted to, but it swivels every which way. Swivel any way you want it to swivel. You could even use a hacksaw on it, I guess. Could put this in here and use a hacksaw. Use a hacksaw on it. But when you get through, you can just take it loose. It's about 11 inches tall overall, the way you see it here. But you can build your fishing lures, or you can tie your flies, hold jewelry with it, or you can do some soldering on some small parts, and it won't hurt your fragile parts that you want to put in it, because it has soft jaws in it, and the jaws are about 3 inches wide, this way, and opens up to 2 inches, and it's made out of aluminum. Even if you want to take it in your motorhome with you, you can put it on your table or your cabinet in your motorhome, and then when you get through, just take it loose. Comes loose real easy. It's real light, and just put it in a kitchen drawer if you want to. But it's real easy to set up. Swivels any way you want to swivel it. Like I say, this is just on my office desk that I have it on. And tighten up any direction you want it to tighten. This is the finest little small vise like this I've ever owned, and it works real easy. You can see I'm just turning it with my finger. don't know whether there's anything else I can show you right now or not, but I guess you could put your scissors in there and sharpen them if you wanted to. Could take a file and sharpen your scissors if I can find the file. Could put your scissors in there and just file them till they're sharp, or your knife blade. Fine little vise.